Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to use animation for your elements on PageFly. Firstly, why should we use element animation? Animation is great for adding a bit of character to your store and for making it that little bit more interactive for your customers. In some ways, this could even lead to an increase in conversion rate and a better overall experience for your store visitors. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to apply animation for any element that you want to spice up your PageFly page. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select the element that you want to animate. I'm going to choose this heading. And then in the General tab, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and find Animation. So we're going to click on that and then click on Animation Settings. So here you'll see we have two types of animation. The first one is When Display, which refers to the animation that plays when the customer sees the element for the first time. And the second one is When Mouse Over, which refers to the animation that plays when the customer hovers their mouse over the element. Each animation option provides you with a variety of animation types, such as these, and you can choose one type per option. Please note that you can apply both animation options, When Display and When Mouse Over, for the same element. But for this video, I'm just going to choose one for this element. So let's go with When Mouse Over, and I'll choose this one here. Okay, and then I'll choose another animation for this element, my image. So I'll do the same thing, select the element, come to the General tab, scroll to the bottom, Animation, Animation Settings, and this time I'll choose When Display. So I'll choose an animation here. Let's go with this one. Okay, and I want to check what I've got, so I'm going to publish, and then Live View. And when we scroll down here, we can see our When Display animation is working fine, and then this one is working fine as well. Remember, you can easily remove any animation from an element by coming back to the PageFly editor, clicking on the element, coming back down to Animation, and simply deleting in the box the name of the animation. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comments section below or reach us via our 24/7 in-app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, check out our other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thanks for watching. See you next time.